Very pleasant morning, students. Class 8, Session 16, Subject Social Science, Topic Economics, Money Saving and Investment. Listen the class carefully, don't skip the class. Dear students, we are going to learn about the introduction, evaluation of money and metallic money. Before enter into the topic, let's see a small question session. Listen the question carefully. First question, what is money? I repeat the question, what is money? Money is anything which is widely accepted in payment for goods or discharge of other business obligation. Second question, what is the origin of the word of money? I repeat the question, what is the origin of the word of money? The word of money is derived from Roman word monito juno. Question, what is evolution of money? I repeat the question, what is evolution of money? Evolution of money was mainly through commodity money, metallic money, paper money and bank money. Let's move into the topic, introduction, evolution of money and metallic money. Money is a fascinating subject and full of curiosities. Is a fundamental discovery which has eased the day-to-day transaction valuing goods and services and has allowed us to store the wealth and trade in future. Money is anything which is widely accepted in payment for goods or in charge other business. Obligation set by Robertson. Since money is a universally accepted medium of exchange, now we have freedom of choice. It gives us the economic independence to buy any goods and for services from a wide market. Money in some form has been part of human history for at least the last 3,000 years. Before that time, it is assumed that a system of bartering was likely used. Dear students, I hope you all understand what is money. Now we are going to learn about evolution of money. The word of money is derived from Roman word monito juno. It is the Roman governors and the republic money of Roman Empire. The Indian rupee is derived from Sanskrit word rupia, which means silver coin. Today we use paper notes, coins as a money, but the evolution of this stage has not happened overnight. It took thousands of years to reach such a stage. There are many stages of evolution of money. The earliest and primitive stage is barter system. There are 5 stages of evolution: commodity money, metallic money, paper money, credit money and plastic money. Let us learn about barter system. What is barter system? A barter system is an old method of exchange. This system has been used for centuries and long before money was invented. People exchange service and goods for other services and goods in return. Exchanging goods for goods without the use of money. Today, bartering has made a compact using technique. In ancient times, this system involved people in the same area. However, today bartering is global. Bartering does not involve money, which is one of the advantages. You can buy items by exchanging an item you have but no longer want or need. Hence, this system had many deficiencies like lack of double consistency of wants, common measures of value, invisibility of commodities, and difficulty of storing wealth. Let's see the major stage through which money has evolved are as follows: commodity money, metallic money, paper money, credit money, near money, and recent form of the money. Let's learn about the first type of commodity money. What is commodity money? A commodity is a basic good used in commerce that is interchangeable with other goods of the same type. For an example, grains, gold, beef, oil, and natural gases. In the earliest period of human civilization, any commodity that was generally demanded and chosen by common consent was used as money. Goods like furs, skins, salt, rice, wheat, and etc. Such kind of exchange of goods for goods was known as barter exchange. Okay students, let's learn about metallic money. What is metallic money? It refers to that money which is in the form of paper currency notes issued by the government of country. It refers to money which is made of metals like gold, silver, copper and etc. Commodity money changed into metallic money. Metals like gold, silver, copper and etc. were used as they could be easily handled and the quantity can be easily and ascertained. Let's see the history of metallic money. The precious metals, especially gold, silver, bonanza, were used from metallic money. The standard weight and the fitness of the metal, particularly gold and silver, with a seal on it, become medium of exchange. They were divisible, portable and convenient. King of Midas of Lydia innovated metal coins in the 8th century BC by the ancient historian Herodotus, but gold coins were in use in India many centuries than in Lydia. The earliest user of coin in the world are the ancient Indians along with the earliest user of coin in the world are the ancient Indian along with Chinese and Lydians from the Middle East. The first time Indian coins were minted in the 6th century BC by the Mahajanapadas known as Puranas Harsanapadas. The Mauryan came up with the punch-marked coins, minting of silver, gold, copper or lead. The Mughal Empire from 1526 AD consolidated the monetary system for the entire empire. Sher Shah defeated Humayun and issued a silver coin of 170 grams known as rupiah and was divided into 40 copper pieces or paisa. Okay students, I hope you understand the evolution of money, its kinds at the history of metallic money. We will learn about remaining in next class. Today homework, what is meant by money? I repeat the question, what is meant by money? Second question, define barter system. I repeat the question, define barter system. Third question, list out the types of money. I repeat the question, list out the types of money. Thank you students.